Alright guys, so the previous video today on the channel, I explained to you why I do think the dump is actually coming. Bitcoin is probably going under 110 and most of your alts are going to drop. But the good news is that this is exactly the consolidation period where you can print with trading bots. This is why I got into it. This is the potential. I realized it. These are the bots I set up with you and actually provided with you. There is a link in the description as well to all these bots that you can copy. And so I just want to make sure that you can set your own bots to the coins that you want to accumulate. For example, I know that a lot of you are asking about an XRP bot. I don't really believe in XRP. I'm not a big fan of XRP, so I don't have an XRP bot, but I want to make sure that you know how to set it up. So this is what we're going to do in this tutorial. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel already, do that. My name is 𝗙𝗢𝗙. I bring you very short updates that help you make money. That's literally what we do here, whether it's a 5-minute video, 10-minute video, or a 3-4 hour live stream that we're going to do, a community stream over the weekend. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss these updates that I'm doing. So these are the bots that I set up. In the previous video, I explained that there is going to be a dump that's probably coming down to the 3.5 trillion-ish mark on the total market cap. So we do have a massive range to look for. Now, this could potentially come out like this, which means that you basically have a little bit of a consolidation here, which is perfect for the grid bots that basically sell and buy every time when there is a market movement. So you look at this, for example, you have all the buy zones, you have all the sell zones, and this is exactly what you're doing with these bots. Now, here's what I want you to do. If you have a token, let's say that you're a big fan of XRP. Let's do XRP because I know a lot of people want XRP and that's fine. So let's do XRP. You search for XRP on TradingView and you want to look out for the daily range. Okay, I want you to go into the daily range, and the pullback, when it comes back to the 50% of this daily range. So you can do two things. One, you can go and set your bot starting from the 2.8, so from the 50%, and go all the way down. The bottom should be the daily low, and the high should be like 2 times the current price, because I do think that the next leg up is going to be vicious. You can do that, or you can just start layering in now and set your ranges to all the way down. The reason why I would take the second option is because you don't know how long this thing is going to last. You don't know if we're going to come back 50, and you don't know if this is going to be a reversal that we just simply not expect because we're in a bull market. So you just pull the 50, you look at it, you make sure that you understand what the daily range is. So here on Ripple, the daily low is 1.8, but whatever token you look at, BNB for example, I know a lot of people bullish on BNB, the daily low is, look at this, how accurate this was. Look at this, I said it's gonna come back 50, look what it did, 50, and the next leg up. So right now, the leg on BNB, gotta go down here, gotta pull the daily, it's gonna come down here, right? So 705 and the daily is 600. Doge, for example, you can look at the daily on Doge is 14 cents. Sui, I know a lot of you are layering into Sui. The low is 2.3. So once you understand your range, you go on here and do I have a Sui bot? No, but I want a Sui bot actually. So let me set up a Sui bot. Sorry guys for XRP guys, but let me set up a Sui bot. So the Sui bot is down here. My low is 2.20. Let's say 2.25, right? So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna search for Sui. I'm gonna search for Sui. I'm gonna click on there. I'm gonna click on futures grid. I'm gonna lowest branch rate is was it 2.25? I don't remember. 2.28 or 2.25. High range. So I think again, like if you zoom out here, Sui is going to $6. Easy. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna put $6. Quantity of grids, it depends on what you want. I would recommend you to use at least 200-300 grids because I know it's 300 minimum, but the reason why I do it this way is because I can get the max advantage of the market. So so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's do 250 grids here, so it's reduced a little bit, so it helps you guys as well to get into it. It's 257 minimum. I'm gonna put in $1,000. I believe this is a fantastic opportunity to do that. And then yeah, I have nothing else. I have this little window here. I'm gonna go create bots and I'm gonna just simply execute, and that's it. I set up this bot. We're actually gonna add this bot into the long-term bots because this is on the daily range. So this here is simply gonna layer in as Sui drops all the way down here. We're probably not closing below the daily, and I'm gonna set more of these up, but you can set this way your own bot as well. and not be relying on me. Again, there's a link in the description to the link tree and to Pionex as well. In the link tree, you'll be able to see my long-term bots. We're going to include Sui as well. And on this link, or on the link above this, you'll be able to sign up to Pionex and claim $1,000 trading bonus. Guys, truly appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe to the video. Make sure you turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss these updates. I'm going to be on the road, but I'm going to be updating you. I do think this is your last opportunity to actually start layering in. It's very difficult to do it manually. This is why I use bots. These are not just some AI cooked up bots. This runs based on my understanding of the market. I do believe it's a great opportunity for you to get into it and actually just utilize the market. And you see, we're doing quite good. 2,000% on my Ethena bot, 13% on my Pump bots, 19% on AVAX bot, 55% on the ETH long bot. It's a 3x leverage. It's insane. The Hype bot is down, but that's fine, of the unlocks and everything. BTC long bot is 10%, ton long-term bot is 22%. So you get the drill. Make sure to check out the videos. There'll be 2 videos up here. Make sure to check out them. One of them is actually step-by-step on how you can utilize the bot on different scalping strategies, and the other one is going to be a trading video if you're still doing manual trading. Guys, truly appreciate you. See you in the next one. Take care.